Okay. So we're here in the basement, and this is our little grow area. My wife has zinnias, I think it is, that we planted last Saturday, and they have sprouted very well. And over here to the side, now you're gonna have to look real close. See them little bitty green leaves that were not planted very evenly? Those are tobacco plants. Now don't ask me why I wanted to try to grow tobacco plants, but I did. The sprouting tray is something that we bought at Home Depot. It's got a heat mat under it. Just went today and got a grow light at the same Home Depot. There's the controls for the heat mat. Down here we have 2 lemon trees. Somebody gave this to my mom years ago and nothing ever happened with it. She got tired of messing with it, so she gave it to me last year, and come find out there was 2 lemon trees in it. Not just the one that she thought, but there was 2. So we have 2 lemon trees now. Here's an angel trumpet tree that has rooted, and we're getting ready to put it into a planter. These are some Christmas cactus that my mother has rooted. My mom could make a dead pine cone grow, I think. So yeah, we're just down here in the basement. But yeah, this is a little setup, something 2x2s. Supposedly they're 2x2s, but they don't measure 2x2. And just something I threw together because last year when we had our tomato plants down here, they got real leggy, and these zinnias, some of these are real leggy looking. And even though they're right here by this window, there's just not enough light. So that's why we got the grow light, and it cost us $47 blessed dollars. And we're going to see if this makes any difference, especially with my tobacco. Now, I don't ever recall hearing my daddy talk about them growing tobacco. Everything else, but never tobacco. So we're a long way from a cigar, folks. A long way. But hey, gotta do something. So there you have it. Eubank Family Homestead, where playing with seeds makes green things.